my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines, and welcome to today's holiday home tour in our new home. We just finished decorating everything, so I feel like, it's like 90% done. We're just waiting on two frames, and I think that's everything that we're gonna do. It's a little more minimal than last year, but I feel like it's still kind of like a decent amount of stuff, right?
Yeah, I think it looks good. It pulls the whole thing in together, and it's still got that modern feel. It does.
Weston just trying to have like the most professional answer. Okay, so let's start with the entryway. I think from our last tour, you guys saw that there used to be like this painting up here. I finally got a round mirror, not holiday, but I did get a round mirror, which is what I had been wanting, with the black frame on it. And then all these little like holiday things here are mostly from Ikea. That was from JCPenney. So a lot of these things you guys have also seen in my recent like decorating with me for the holidays videos. So a lot of the stuff will be in those videos, but I do want to go over everything, obviously, and give you guys a tour. Down here, I got a little bit of greenery. The black star, I feel like, looks holiday, but it's still a little more understated. Oh, these, they're not pampas grass. I don't know what they are, but they're like a dried grass. That is from Hobby Lobby.
Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Okay, so then right over here, if you keep walking, we've got a huge picture of Weston and I, our first picture in the new home. Like, we have no other pictures of us. And
it's a good one.
It is. It's huge, too. Those were our holiday pictures, but this is definitely going to stay up year-round. Okay, and then we've got these two little Christmas trees with, like, a little fake snow thing going on. That was all from Ikea. I did an entire video there. Oh, you can show the little garland on the stairs.
Time to sleep. Yeah, spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
Okay, moving on to the dining table. You guys, we did get a new dining table, which I will link down below. I am obsessed with it. I did spray paint the legs black. They were gold before, and I think it looks so good. It matches everything perfectly. As far as everything on here, it's kind of similar to last year's, but it's a little more understated. Last year's table was also a lot smaller, so everything looked way more cluttered. And I think there was even more stuff on there, considering it was a smaller table. So I kept the same red plates. I think they look so festive and cute. The little napkins with the ring holders, they're adorable. I love the little plaid on them. This is from Target. So just lots of candles and kind of like taller pieces. A few Christmas trees. The garland that you guys saw me decorate with in the Decorate With Me for the Holidays video. I added a few little pine cones and stuff. Oh, and then also my favorite is the gold silverware. Obsessed with. I got this from World Market last year, and I keep it on the table throughout the entire year because I absolutely love it.
It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Then we can move on to the kitchen. There isn't two, oh no, wait, right up here. Right up here, we've got our little candle chandelier. I do want to add a real chandelier, which this was kind of like the little test. I didn't know if having these two huge lights back here would make this look way too cluttered or look like it was too many lights going on, but this is a fake one, and I do want to get a real one. Like we need to get it installed, and we need to get like an electrician and everything, but for now, this will do. This is from Ikea. Then I added a little greenery to it. I think it looks so pretty and festive.
Baby, this year, it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Okay, let's move on to the kitchen. Okay, in the middle, I just added that little joy sign. That was from JCPenney. I have my tray and my other stuff that I always have up here. I realized that I like to keep things more minimal on the island at least. Okay, and then back here, I did add this little JCPenney thing that says Merry Christmas. I think it's so cute. Oh, look. Also, lights up. Isn't that adorable? I love that. We actually need to put real batteries in there. Okay, moving on to the coffee station. I did add these little plaid mug set. That's also from JCPenney that you guys saw in that JCPenney video. More JCPenney right there. That's everything for there. That's pretty much everything over here. The rest is just a mess that needs to be cleaned up. Let's move over to the living room. Moving on to the living room area, I kept the same little apple cider donut thing that we got from Home Goods.
That I chose out.
It's so cute.
Mind you.
It still works. It still works for Christmas. Like apple cider donuts, apple cider, like that's still Christmas. So I still think it's cute. It's adorable. I also got this little
Tree in a thing, DIY project.
tree in a glass vase thing. Yes, this was a DIY project from like 2 years ago. And whenever I was pulling things out, this is one of the few DIY pieces that I still think looks so cute. The snow needs to be fixed up a little bit in there because it was stored away, but that's so cute. I love it still. Okay, and then moving on. We've got a little Christmas tree here with a few little ornaments from Ikea. 2 little trees next to it. I don't remember where those are from. Probably Home Goods or something. And then the tree that you guys saw us decorate. Isn't that beautiful? It's very, very glam. I think for next year, I'll probably go with like a pretty just regular green tree and decorate it totally different. I'm thinking of doing like plaids and stuff. I keep seeing those trees and I think they look so good. And then we put a little owl on top too. I thought that was so cute. But yeah, for now, I guess we're gonna have a glam tree for the 2nd year. But I still think it looks really pretty.
Yeah, I think it looks great.
Yeah, it is still pretty.
Memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Okay, and then right here, I added this little garland. That's from JCPenney. The candles we've had for a little while also, I don't remember where. Stockings that I got from, I don't know, Ross or Marshalls or somewhere from last year also. Love those. And we don't have a fireplace, so kind of just have to improvise and pretend this is kind of like our fireplace. I also have these little blanket things down here. Those are from Ikea. And then fake little presents from a DIY. And then a few more things to show you guys. Okay, let's move on this way. We got the pillows. I did flip these over to like the tree side. The other side of them has plaid on them, but I was telling Weston that I think we're more grown up this year. The plaid, I don't know. Is it a little younger?
I guess. I don't know. I think the trees.
There's still plaid there. I think maybe I just didn't want too much plaid.
The trees just go along with our modern little house and look. The plaid is more like
and they're black,
cabiny.
Like black and cream.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. See, I do keep you around for a reason. And then this little pillow, I still love this one. I'm glad I have that one. It has little silver trees on it. Okay, on the coffee table. If you guys saw our Decorate With Me video, these little pom-poms I actually got to put on the Christmas tree because I had seen pictures of that and I thought it looked so good. But whenever I put them on, we realized that our tree's just way too glam and these just look out of place. So we took them down. I put them here. I don't know. I think it looks cute, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't think it looks bad.
I'm not 100% sure if it goes, but I don't know where else to put them, and I think it looks good. This little tray I do love. You guys saw this in my Ikea video also. I put all this together. I think it looks good. More pillows right there, and then the last thing, which I will insert overlay clips here whenever we go get the prints later tonight, but I am going to add 2 like snow prints on the sides of these, and it's going to just pull the whole holiday theme together, because for now we still got fall little poppies up. So once that changes, it's going to look so good.
It's going to complete the transformation.
Everything. It looks so cute in here. I love this. And I don't feel like it looks too cluttered. It's just crazy to think that most of these things were in our last home, and our last home was way smaller. So that was like a big, huge like clutterness. But I loved it then. I love it now. So I guess that's all that matters. Oh no, wait! I have a few more things to show you guys.
The classics never die.
Bookcase. Totally forgot. I do have the bookcase. I do have these little tree candles. Super cute. A little gnome from JCPenney. Books and stuff that I normally have up. This little bead garland thing is also from JCPenney. I think those are the only things that I really added that were like Christmassy. The gnome is so cute, huh? I keep seeing these around. They have them everywhere. Like, I got these from JCPenney, but I've seen them like at Marshall's, Home Goods. I've seen them everywhere. So yeah, that's actually going to complete this entire holiday home tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Again, links to everything will be down below, or just like the things that I'm able to find. Yes, that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
We also hope it inspires you to decorate your home as well.
Yes.
That's a message from
Weston Vale. And also, don't be a hater that we're decorating early. You know what? I get to enjoy all the holiday decor sooner than later. And you know, I read like a statistic that people who decorate earlier are happier.
Yeah, because it puts you in a good mood every time you come home.
Yeah, it really does.
So forget about the haters, babe.
Yeah.
We're decorating it before Thanksgiving.
That's okay. I love it. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.